It's been a very exciting first couple days working with the group. The team is very diverse, working with the Hyper Island individuals. They do a fantastic job of training us, so I'm excited, I'm happy to be here. We've had several sessions that have spanned these 2 days, and they're all kind of structured the same. You get a little content, and there's normally some sort of discussion. There's an activity to follow, and then the most important part, the third step, is reflection, both with yourself, and then you get a chance to share with the group. And I feel like that reflection time has been very important.
It's an innovative approach, something that we normally don't get to do in our routine tasks. You know, like our jobs are very step by step on a daily basis. This is something that gives us the ability to look outside, step outside, think, evaluate our normal procedures. I think it's a great program, and just being here for 2 days has kind of opened up new ideas in my head already, and I can't wait for the next 9 months.
Yeah, I'm working on a project that's totally outside of the realm of what I've really ever worked on in my career. I have been customer facing for 19 years, and I'm going to be diving into some data, diving into some operations, cost. I think one of the things that's made this group so interesting and dynamic is that each person walked in probably a little nervous about introducing themselves, but everyone came in, from my perspective, really being who they are and not trying to be a certain way. And so to just sort of hold your skill set and your own personality in high esteem and just be ready to use that in a collaborative way.